Mélissa. I'm inviting you to move your body with me.
In today's video, we're going to a festival. At this festival, there's lots of games and competitions for us to do. Let's play. Let's start with the warm-up. Reach over to one side, say, ooh. Reach, reach, reach. Reach over the other side, say, ah. And twist. Twist. Bend your knees, open up wide, say, wow, 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 wow. Let's do it again, faster. Ooh. Ah. Twist. Twist. This festival is amazing. Over there, they're giving out ice cream. Can you hear the ice cream truck? And in that corner, they're giving out free hot air balloon rides. Have you ever been on a hot air balloon? Me either. There's so much to do. Let's check out some of the games. The first game we're gonna do is a hula hoop competition. So everyone, grab your imaginary hula hoops. Let's go. On your mark, get set, go. Get that hula hoop going around your waist. Side to side. Can you rock it front and back? Don't let that hula hoop drop. Okay, I'm gonna move my hula hoop down to my knees. Drop those knees. Get those knees going. I'm gonna move the hula hoop down to my right foot. On 1, 2, 3, foot. Whoa, whoa. Don't let it drop. On the count of 3, let's switch to the other leg. 1, 2, 3, switch. Right, on the count of 3, let's switch to our arms. 1, 2, 3, switch. On the count of 3, let's switch directions on the same arm, but going the other way. 1, 2, 3, switch. Nice work. Okay, let's switch to the other arm. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, switch. You guys are really struggling. On the count of 3, let's stay on the same arm, but go in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, switch directions. Okay, I'm going to switch this hula hoop too around my neck. On the count of 3, let's do it around our neck. 1, 2, 3, switch. Oh wow, we got some expert hula hoopers out there. Okay, now I want you to do your best hula hoop trick. Let's set a timer for 15 seconds. Let's do our best hula hoop trick. Ready, set, go! Nice. Let's switch it to around our waist. Let's finish out all together around our waist for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let those hula hoops drop to the ground. Next, work hula hooping, everybody. Now we are going to do a jump rope competition. So let's get our jump ropes. All right. We're gonna start with our classic jump rope. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Make sure you are landing soft on your knees when you jump. Good. Can you go faster? Can you go even faster? Oh wow, you're going so fast. Can you cross in front? Cross your rope in front. Good. Faster. Soft landing on those knees. Good and classic. Ooh. All right, let's see if we can do a skip rope like this. 1 foot at a time. Wow, you got it. Let's see if we can do a double. When we jump, we're gonna spin our rope twice, which means you have to jump a little higher, like this. Can you do it? Make sure that you're landing soft and bending your knees when you come back down. What about side to side? All right, I don't have to tie my shoe. Good jumping. Now let's set a timer for 15 seconds. Do any jumps you want. You can make up your own combination. Ready, set, go! Very good. All right, for our last festival game, it's a race, but it's a slow motion race. So we're going to be running in slow motion. Now, when you're doing slow motion, it's all about being dramatic. So make sure you get your face involved, and it's about extension. Okay, so let's get ready for our slow motion race. On your mark, get set, go. Really good race. I think we should celebrate. Let's celebrate with a 30-second victory dance. Do any dance you want. Let's celebrate. It's time for a cool down. All right, so remember that ice cream that was being scooped? Let's use our hands like they're ice cream scoopers and scoop the air around us and take a big, big breath. Let it out. Again. One more. body for all the good work it did today and give yourself a squeeze. If you're with someone you love and they want to, you can give them a squeeze too. And a pat on the back, and tell yourself something that you're really good at. Nice. Good work today. Remember, it's a big festival, but I only mentioned the ice cream, the hot air balloons, and the games. What else do you think is at the festival? Draw a picture, maybe it's a map, of what other activities and games and fun, exciting things you can find at the festival. I'd love to see what you come up with. Bye, thanks for joining me.